It's your girl, Mia, come back with another video. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so today we is going to be putting different things in slime. So I'm not gonna use all my slime because no, I ain't gonna do that to my whole slime. So I'm only using this much. And yeah. So I'm gonna put it into 3 different, like, I guess you could say sections. That one and that one. Okay, and we're gonna see what it's gonna do. So what we'll be using: toothpaste, shampoo, and shaving cream. The first one we're going to be doing is shaving cream. Not gonna put a lot. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab it and just kind of play with it. See how it turns out. So I will show you how it looks when we're done. Okay, so this is like, it's a different color. It's like really, really soft, and I guess I like it with shaving cream in it better. Yeah, just gonna see if there's a big difference in the color. No, it looks a little bit. Looks somewhat the same. That was the shaving cream. Next we are going to be doing shampoo. So I like that one. I like the way that one came out, so that's why I'm putting it in there. So this one I'm not gonna be using a lot. But that much. Oh, you can't even see. Oh my god. So you can't see. So I made a mess. Anyway, so I was gonna add it in there. Keep on mixing. See how it turns out. I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just very retarded, so yeah. This is like secretly like freaking sticky. Like, I do not like this. I do not like the way this is turning out. Look! I legit do not like the way this is turning out at all. I'll show you how it looks when we're done. Well, when I'm done kneading it. Okay, so we're done kneading it. It is like very sticky. Like, very sticky. Let's see. It's like, oh, ew. I do not like this one, but I guess it's like alright, you can say. So yeah, that was the shampoo, and brand was Dove. So if you like sticky slime and you like to have it with, just grab Dove shampoo. And I'm not sure if it'll work for any shampoo, but grab Dove shampoo and just put it in your slime. And this actually makes it like really stretchy. Like, I didn't think it would do that, but I like this one, so I'm just gonna put this one to the side. Slide over here. The last one. Oh, come on, let me clean this. Oh god. Sorry. The last one is Crest. Something. Toothpaste. Okay, so I'm not gonna put a lot of this in because I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I bet it's just gonna make it like sticky again, but I'm not too sure. And if I mess this up, I'm like be so mad. I feel like it just messes it up. So yeah, this thing is just putting random things in slime. And this is like not coming out too good. Like, I'm not liking the way this is looking at all. Like, ew, what is this? Like, ew, no. Oh my god, what is this? Please, somebody tell me what this is. I'm not liking. I'm starting to wash it and put this in my slime. Legit, like, this like is not even slime. Like, what is this? That's what I would love to know. What the hell is this? It's like messed up all over. Well, yeah, I will put that back when all this is cleaned up. Oh my god, I don't want to touch my phone. Oh my god. What else? So yeah, well, comment down which one you like. shaving cream or the shampoo one. The shampoo one is like way different. It's like the toothpaste but not as sticky. Like the way, like the texture. Like sticky wise, it's not like sticky, but I like this one like a lot. So I guess I'll show you how the shampoo. Oh my god. Like I guess this can be like, I guess you could say fluffy slime, but like not really, but like somewhat. I still feel like this like isn't like fully clean. Got to get to put my slime. Yeah, it's like very sticky, but then you just pick it up. It's like whatever. Like nothing never happened. And I hate when hair gets in it, especially hair. And I guess I like this one more. Like this one's like very like it's like feels like regular slime versus this one because this is fluffy slime or fluffy buttermilk slime. I threw my fluffy one away. This is buttermilk slime. It's like very heavy compared to this one. It's like there's like a difference. This one drips like you can like already see it dripping. Like that look, like you see it going down. And then you hold down like if I can. And then you hold this one like that and it doesn't really go down as fast. Oh, I guess it kind of does. I don't know, but I would prefer this one. I'm so in love with this one. Well, yeah, thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye. Oh my god, okay, so I'm too retarded. I just came back to now.